We're going to talk about what's next, though, for Cardano. While we are experiencing a little bit of a pullback right now, Cardano is only down 0.5% here today, while some other cryptocurrencies down a little bit more. And this last month has been a really good month for Cardano. It's been a really good start to 2023, really. And we've got a new price target for ADA looking at Elliott's Wave Theory. So we're going to talk about that here in a little bit. But yes, we came all the way here from late March down here at 34 cents to the middle of April where we hit 45 cents, 46 cents, actually just crossed over it. Right now sitting at about 41 cents, closer to 42 cents. And the next price target might surprise you because Cardano macro, on a macro level here, still looks pretty bullish. And here's your year-to-date for ADA. Came all the way from 25 cents, guys, all the way up to recently crossing over 46 cents. That is this year's high. And I do think we're going to get ready and gear up for the next big rally. A little bit of a market pullback here, I think, is to be expected. And I think we're going to get rolling again here after this little dip. So it might be a good opportunity to look at some of your altcoins and then, ones that you want to either trade or just add to the bag. But Cardano's next price target could be 55 cents. Now, how did we get there? Elliott's Wave Theory shows us this. The theory, which identifies recurring patterns in financial markets, indicates that ADA recently completed its third wave and is currently in the midst of its fourth wave. So if we follow this pattern, the fifth wave is expected to bring some big-time growth, similar to that we saw in the first wave. Elliott Wave Theory is a popular TA tool by traders to predict market trends. It's not 100% accurate, of course, but it postulates that financial markets move in predictable patterns known as waves. In case of Cardano, the completion of the third wave typically signifies strong upward momentum, while the ongoing fourth wave represents a corrective period before the next rally, which is exactly what we're experiencing here. So investors should approach the 55% target with caution, however, carefully considering the potential risks and rewards before making any investment decisions. But again, looking at this price point right now, sitting at 41 cents, you're looking to make a swing trade. I think that is where the big opportunities lie right now across the board. Crypto is coming back here in the last hour, but things are still down a little bit here in the last 24 hours. You got Zilliqa down 8%. A lot of the top cryptos down 2, 3, 4% right now. Polygon, there it is, down 2%. Aptos down roughly 2%. Terra Luna Classic, Arbitrum, ICP, some of the top ones, Dash, SingularityNet over there in the AI sector, Oasis. So a lot of these cryptos down about 2, 3% in addition to the pullback we had yesterday. But it could be opening the door for Cardano's next big price target. And again, 55 cents could be where we head next for Cardano. We'll see if that Elliott's Wave Theory comes to fruition. Let me know what you guys think about this down below in the comment section. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. My job, one thing only, just bring you up to speed on all the news information in crypto. So we're going to be watching this price target of 55 cents. And we'll see what happens next. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you don't miss another one. Take care, everybody. Have a fantastic rest of your day.